Okay, so I'm going to show you a video on how to balance chemical equations. It's very easy. Let's look at this example. So we have this reaction. This arrow signifies the reactants on the left and products on the right. First thing is where the arrow is, you draw a line to separate the two sides. And we're going to list all the elements. So looking on the left, we have K. We have S, we have CO, and we have Cl. We're going to list the same elements in the exact same order on this side. On the reactant side, if you look over here, there's two Ks because there's a subscript of 2 here, which means there's 2 atoms of K. So I'll put a 2 here. We have 1 atom of sulfur. We have 1 atom of cobalt. And we have 2 atoms of chlorine because there's a subscript of 2. On the product side, potassium, there's 1 atom, since there's subscript. There's 1 atom of chlorine, so I put it down here. There's 1 atom of cobalt, and there's 1 atom of sulfur. So the next step after listing all the atoms is we need to balance. Due to the law of conservation of mass, there's the same atoms on the left side as there is on the right side. So let's look at the first element. We have K. As you can see, they're not balanced. There's 2 on the left and only 1 on the right. So to balance it, we would just put a 2 here, and this coefficient 2 applies to this entire compound. We cannot write subscripts to balance the equation. The only thing you can do is to put coefficients on the left. So by putting a 2 here, that means there's 2 Ks, and there's also 2 Cls because it applies to the entire compound. So I'm going to mark that. And then we compare the atoms. There's 1 sulfur, 1 cobalt, and 2 chlorine. So everything is balanced. Thank you for watching my video.